Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'll give you a new way to teach tricky words to your kids. So if you are interested in teaching sight words or most frequently used words or tricky words to kids in a multisensory way, so this video is for you. But let me tell you, I have used a single paper for the activity. You will see that shortly, but I suggest to you to introduce the families one by one. Do not make the activity on a single paper. I just did it to save some time because I'm not teaching kids. But when you are teaching your kiddos, take care of this. Introduce the families one by one, right? So here is some information about the channel. If you are new to my channel, this channel is just for you. If you are interested in English phonics, English spelling rules, English grammar, English creative writing, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your little kids in a multisensory way. Now, without any further ado, let's dive. Here is our tricky words down, and we are going to check out the E family first. In this family, every member has a surname E, but we write it with a single E. So let's see who is in the family. The first member is E, he. Then E, she. E, me. E, we. E, be. And E, thee. There is something special about this member. He has two names. You may call him thee and the. It depends where he is standing in a sentence. Now let's meet the second family and its members. This is the O family. O, a single letter O will say the long O sound, and all the family members have the same surname, O. Let's meet them. G, O, go, S, O, so, and N, O, no. Go, so, no. This one is a small family, isn't it? Let's see the next family. This is the Oo family, the long Oo sound. But again, the tricky part is this, that the surname is written with only a single letter O. Let's meet the members now. Open the door. Okay, the first one is T, Oo, to, and D, oo, do. To and do, only two members. Wow, this is good. We can remember them easily. This is the Oo family. A single O will say the Oo sound. To and do, to and do. And now is the time to check the last family. It's the Z family. A single S will say the Z sound. So the surname of all the members will be written with the S, but it will say the Z sound. So come on, let's open the doors. So the first member is I and Z. It will be is. A and Z, as. We are saying Z sound, but we are writing S. This is something tricky about this family, okay? So is, as, is, his, has, has, is, as, his, has. And the last word that is in the middle, it is a little more tricky because this is was. Was. You cannot even say the sound of a. It's was, not was. Let's say these words once again. Is, as, his, has. And the middle one is was. Okay, so this is all about the families of tricky words, but I have something more to show you. Let's turn the paper. And here we have another house, and it is comparatively bigger than the other families. Let's check out who lives in here. This is the O-U-L-D family. O-U-L-D, 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 O-U-L-D. Let's check out the members. W-O-U-L-D would, K-O-U-L-D could, Should, should, would, could, should, would, could, should. So this is the house of OULD family. In all these words, we have the first sound different, that is walk and sh. But the rest of the letters are the same, OULD. So this is how you can make your tricky words family houses. It's fun to do, by the way. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked it. If yes, so please hit the like button, subscribe the channel if you haven't, and share the video with your friends and family as well. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.